Hey everyone, we are going to start with the Claude Code today. It's really simple. We will first make a directory and then I'll show you the commands of how to run the Claude Code and what are the MCP and plugins inside the Claude Code, what are plan modes in Claude Code, and also we will build at the end of this video. It's a short video. We will make a basic website to see what we can do with this new technology. So first we will start with we will make a simple directory. We can give it any name as of now, and then go to right click and go to services and open terminal. The command is really simple. We can just say Claude. What I would like to add is minus minus. Because this command will help me to, it will not ask again and again for basic commands to run, and a Claude will do it automatically. So what we can do with the Claude is we can build a really quick website, we can do it really quickly, and also we have plugins in that. So if we say / we can find plugins. Plugins will help us to add a lot of new other functionalities in our Claude Code. So we have a lot of plugins that we will explore step by step. As of now, we are just exploring what are the plugins, and also we can add our MCP, which we can develop. I have also built some of the really cool MCPs, which I'll share with you in other videos. And we can build an MCP for us, like I have Figma MCP, LangChain, and stuff like this. And now let's build something really basic. I want you. And another thing which we can do it quickly is just press space. We will have a simple landing page so that I can demonstrate Claude capability in my video. So you can use HTML, CSS, just a really basic page we want. And I want it quickly, I should have a HTML and CSS page, I should have a HTML, CSS written separately. So it's saying that we are done. Let's see what it has built for us. We can open index.html and look, we have a really basic website. We can add our videos over here, simple website within only a one command. Even I have only given this command, this prompt. So cool stuffs are coming. I would love you to subscribe and see what we are building together, and I'm sharing my journey of development as well.